Ethical issues regarding stem cell research. Introduction. From a scientific perspective, the potential advantages of stem cell research cannot be disregarded. An important property of stem cells lies in their ability to differentiate into multiple types. As such, they hold enormous promise for treating various ailments and conditions, even those previously considered incurable. In addition, stem cells are posited to create replacement organs, which could help with the lack of transplantable organs. However, stem cell research raises several moral concerns, including the possibility of eugenics, conflicts of interest, and privacy issues. Furthermore, religious organizations oppose the usage of human embryos because they believe it amounts to taking a human life. Overall, ethical issues surrounding stem cell research can be both religious and scientific in nature. Scientific ethical issues. The described ethical concerns surrounding stem cell research can be taken into consideration by science because they are crucial to understanding the implications of this subject. To ensure that research is carried out responsibly, unethical uses of stem cell research, such as the potential exploitation of stem cells for eugenics, need to be closely examined. Other prominent ethical issues are linked to privacy concerns in the field and the possibility of conflicts of interest. As ethical challenges can affect the quality and integrity of research, it is crucial that the research abides by ethical principles. Unethical uses. One of the main problems is the possibility for stem cells to be exploited for eugenics or the purposeful enhancement of the human species through selective breeding. The biotechnology of genetically altering stem cells raises the possibility that certain actors attempt the creation of so-called designer babies, removing traits or qualities they find objectionable. As brain stem cell research can be utilized for unethical ends, there are concerns regarding how this research should be governed and overseen. Privacy concerns. Another issue concerns privacy, secrecy, and the possibility of illegal use of individual genetic data regarding the use of brain tissue in research. Brain tissue from living or deceased donors is frequently collected for research on brain stem cells. This tissue may hold private information about the patient, such as genetic or medical history. The privacy and autonomy of people and their families may be significantly impacted if this information is utilized for unlawful purposes. Conflict of interest. Additionally, concerns exist regarding potential conflicts of interest in stem cell research. Financial interests may take precedence over moral considerations regarding businesses and organizations that stand to gain financially from discovering breakthrough medicines and cures. For instance, such actors might put more emphasis on developing therapies for more lucrative ailments than those with bigger public health needs. This could lead to an uneven distribution of resources and a lack of emphasis on creating treatments for diseases that are most crucial to public health. Religious objections. Finally, there are certain religious concerns surrounding stem cell research, specifically the usage of embryonic stem cells. Many religious groups believe it is immoral to involve human embryos in stem cell research, as it is often destroyed in the process. They believe that doing so is the same as ending a human life. This viewpoint is founded on religious beliefs that assert that every human life has intrinsic value and that life begins at conception. Although such objections are based on religion and not science, there is importance in recognizing these concerns. Conclusion. In conclusion, the issue of stem cell research involves both scientific and religious ethical considerations. Despite the advantages of employing stem cells, the issues of privacy, conflicts of interest, unethical uses, and religious opposition cannot be disregarded. It will take a thorough examination of both scientific and ethical issues, as well as an understanding of the value of every human life, to balance these opposing viewpoints.